So I intentionally tried to create an overlapping edge right through here. So how would we handle that? What I'm doing here, I'm going to try this first by getting my nice, if you can see that nice clean water, it's not really clean, and removing some of the excess, remove the excess water here, and let's try this on one side, right through there. Okay, but we can also have a problem with a big messy line on this side. So I'm going to just soften through here. That's just one idea. It's not always going to work though. This isn't always going to work. Okay, so I'm just softening that line, and then if I have done this, this can lift up the previous layer, so I'll need to continue the water a little bit further out. And if I have a brush that's too stiff or small, I can end up with lots of brush lines. And by using a number 30 like this, it's going to be soft enough that I can just carry that water a little further. Because if I stop too short, then we're going to see some things that we don't want. So do you see how we got rid of that line right through there? Does that help?
So that is basically exactly what I do.
Okay, well,
and
yeah.
You end up having to wet everything again in order to get rid of any, and it can be such a slight thing that you don't even notice it initially. And,
right.
And
so that's just one way of doing it. And another, let's go ahead and take a magic eraser like this, and basically the same thing, but what if I want to be, let's try this. Maybe I could just get away with just smudging it a little bit. Just smudge, smudge, you know. Maybe I'll do half of it and not the other half, so we can see if there's any difference. So I'm going to go ahead, take my water again, back on the 30, and then I'm just going to soften, let it blend together. So I wanted you to be able to see both areas.
I've never used a magic eraser, so that's an excellent tip.
And use the one that doesn't have any detergent. Do you see how we got rid of that right there? This is lifting it out with the brush. Just, you don't have to scrub too hard, just gently touch it, okay?